Hello everyone, I welcome you all as a part of this particular video lecture where we will be talking about options for deploying data science machine learning models. What is our starting point? Let's start with what does deploying a data science machine learning models actually mean? So you have probably trained a machine learning model or data science model locally. It can be a regression model, a classifier model, or a deep learning model that makes predictions. But that's only half the journey. Means the real value of a model comes when it can be used by others. Obviously, when you are doing something locally, either you are doing it for your own practice or either you are doing it for exploring the frameworks. But when you are making it available for others, there comes the actual uses of your work. So it can be used by app services, it can be used by users in real time. So, what do you mean by deployment? Deployment means you're turning your trained model into a live service that other systems can call to get the predictions. Okay, let's understand this with a real world analogy because it's very good. When you relate something with an analogy, you will be able to understand it in a much better way. Imagine you are a chef who invented a new dish. So, training your model means you are perfecting the recipe in your kitchen. And deployment means you're opening a restaurant so anyone can order your dish anytime. So, when your dish is going to get value, when it will be served to others. Okay. So, without deployment, your model just sits in your notebook. It's a recipe on paper, not a service. It means when you are deploying a model, actually, what things you are doing? You are saving your trained model, you are loading it inside an application. It can be in a form of Python script, or you are loading it on the API server. Then you are hosting that application somewhere. It can be a cloud provider, or if you have set up your traditional infrastructure, you can do that there too. Finally, you are providing an API endpoint, let's suppose slash predict. So others can send data and get the predictions. That is the essence of model inference as a service. Okay. So what happens under the hood? Means a client is making a request. Let's say the request can come from mobile app, from website, or using a script. The HTTP request is containing a JSON with input data. The deployed model API, which is running somewhere, let's say in our case, we are going to talk about model running on AWS Lambda, ECS, and SageMaker. That will be serving the request. Prediction will be generated by the model and then HTTP response, that is JSON with predicted output, is sent back to the client. So in short, why we are deploying models? So others can get accessibility, means others can call your model over the network. To achieve automation, systems can make predictions automatically. Scalability, you can serve thousands of requests per minute. Monitoring, you can track performance, latency, and errors. And versioning, you can update the model without breaking the clients. So we will be exploring these options, deployment of DSML models on AWS. And what all these options are helping you out with, let me give you a brief idea on that. For example, let me start with Lambda for lightweight inference. So Lambda is a serverless event-driven compute service. You are getting serverless pay-per-use functions here. You're uploading your model and code in Lambda. So it is basically a best fit for lightweight and small models. Then comes ECS and Fargate in picture. It is suitable for custom environments or medium load. Here we are making a containerized deployment using Docker so that we are going to get full control. And finally, we have SageMaker endpoints, which is providing us a production grade ML APIs. So it is basically used as a fully managed machine learning hosting service. It means that what we will be exploring in the upcoming discussions, all these options to deploy our data science machine learning models.
Okay,